This is the Xiaomi TV Box S second gen, that is the second generation with Google TV, and in this video I am going to be unboxing this device, showing you everything that comes with it and as well demonstrating how to set it up with your TV. Now let's go ahead and unbox this device. Now inside of the box, we basically have the Xiaomi Mi TV box itself. You can literally see this is actually a very slim design, and it actually has a HDMI port, a USB-C port, a charging port, and of course the audio jack port over here. Over here we have the charging brick, some paperwork, a HDMI to HDMI port cable, and then lastly, over here we have the Xiaomi Mi TV Stick remote. Now basically this is what you get inside of the box of the Xiaomi TV Box Gen 2, and quickly I will show you how to connect and set up this device with your TV. Whether you have an old or a new TV, by the end of this video you should be able to properly connect it and turn any TV you have into a Google TV with this device. Okay, so over here I have my LG TV, and we're going to go ahead to connect the Xiaomi TV box over here to this LG TV. And the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and turn over to the back of your TV. So I am at the back of my TV now. Now the first thing you want to do is to get the Xiaomi Mi TV box, which is basically this over here, and then you want to go ahead and connect your HDMI cable, that is the HDMI to HDMI cable, which is this cable over here, this particular cable. You want to go ahead and connect one end of this particular cable to the HDMI port on your Xiaomi Mi TV box. Now you can literally see the port over here that is labeled HDMI, so go ahead and connect one end of that particular cable to the HDMI port on your Xiaomi Mi TV box, and then you want to go ahead and connect the other end of this HDMI cable to the HDMI port on your TV. I can go ahead and connect it to any of the HDMI ports on your TV. If your TV has more than one HDMI port, just go ahead and connect it to any of the HDMI ports and you're good to go. Now once that is done, you want to come back to your Xiaomi Mi TV box over here, get the charger cable, which is this over here, and then plug it to the charging port on the Xiaomi Mi TV box, which is basically this port over here. Now this particular port is for the audio, so don't confuse the both. This is actually for the audio jack, and then this is actually for the charging of this particular box. So we're just going to go ahead and connect this to the power ports over here, just like this, and then go ahead and connect this to your charger brick or just any wall socket in your house. Now once it is connected, if you turn over to your Xiaomi Mi TV box, you can literally see that there is actually a LED light over here blinking, indicating that this particular device has been powered. Now finally, once you're sure that your Xiaomi TV box has been correctly connected to your TV, the next step you want to do is to go ahead and change your input source of the TV to the same HDMI input source where your Xiaomi Mi TV box is actually connected to. In most TVs, the input source button is usually at the top right corner of the TV's remote control. So press on the input button just like so, and then go ahead and change the input source to the same HDMI input source where your Xiaomi Mi TV box is actually connected to. In my case, it is connected to HDMI 1, so I'll go ahead and select it, and automatically you'll be taken to this page. Now you want to go ahead and get your Xiaomi Mi TV box remote control, which is basically this remote control over here. Now from the instruction on the TV, what you want to do is to press on this Xiaomi TV button over here and the home button at the same time. This will enable your remote control to pair with the Xiaomi Mi TV box. So I'll go ahead and press mine just like so, and automatically your remote control will be paired with the Xiaomi Mi TV box. We can now go ahead and continue with the setup process. First things first, you want to go ahead and select your language. In my case, I'll go with the English United States. Then go ahead and select your country as well. So I'll scroll down and then look for South Africa. Select South Africa just like so. And now you'll be asked whether you want to continue the setup process either with your phone or with the TV. Personally, I would recommend you continue the setup process with your TV because you might actually run into some errors trying to scan the QR code over here on the Xiaomi Mi TV box. So just go ahead and click on setup with TV instead. Now go ahead and connect your Xiaomi Mi TV box to your Wi-Fi network. In my case, I'll go ahead and select iPhone 13 SAM, which is basically my phone hotspot, but I'm using as my Wi-Fi in this particular case. Now go ahead and select your Wi-Fi or your phone hotspot, and then make sure you enter your Wi-Fi or hotspot password in this input field over here, then go ahead and click on the enter button at the bottom, and automatically your Xiaomi Mi TV box will be connected to your mobile phone hotspot or Wi-Fi. Now you also want to log into your email at this particular point, so go ahead and enter your email, and after entering your email you also want to go ahead and enter the password to your email. And finally, we can now continue with the setup process. So you want to go ahead and click on the accept to accept the terms and condition over here. Then go ahead and click on accept again. Now just go ahead and click on allow, and then click on I agree. Now if you want personalized results on your Xiaomi Mi TV box, then go ahead and click on turn on, and then just go ahead and click on the confirm button at the right hand side over here. You can first of all choose the apps you want to be pre-installed into your Xiaomi Mi TV box, and then just go ahead and click on the confirm button. Now just go ahead and click on the OK button on your remote control, and then click on OK again, and then OK. Now you can go ahead and skip this process because our remote control actually works pretty well. But if your remote control does not work, for instance some buttons like the volume up and volume down button does not work, then you can go ahead and fix it by using this process over here. But mine actually works, so I'll just go ahead and click on skip, and then click on OK. Now click on agree, and now our Xiaomi Mi TV box is now setting up itself. So you want to go ahead and give it a minute or two. Now once it is properly set up, you will be taken to this page to either create multiple accounts for your Google TV, or you can actually create accounts for kids on the TV as well. But since we are not creating multiple accounts or multiple profile for different persons using this particular Google TV, we'll just go down and click on go to Google TV just like so. Finally, our Xiaomi Mi TV box Gen 2 with Google TV has been properly set up. So basically this is how the interface looks like. So from here you can go ahead and download apps if you want to by coming to this app section over here. Now from the settings at the top right corner of the TV, you can also do other things. For instance, you can go ahead and customize the picture quality, the apps, the system, and just do anything you want. That'll be all on today's video, guys. Please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.